Weather Service in Norman has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Carter County in southern Oklahoma, East Central Jefferson County in southern Oklahoma, Love County in southern Oklahoma, southeastern Stevens County in southern Oklahoma, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:49 p.m., National Weather Service meteorologists detected a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from Ringling to 6 miles west of Blue Bottom, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Winds near 60 miles per hour have been measured near Ringling. Locations impacted include Ardmore, Lone Grove, Healdton, Wilson, Marietta, Ringling, Springer, Vacaville, Cornish, Loco, Leon, Bonneville, Overbrook, Blue Bottom, Lake Murray, Graham, Milo, Courtney, Petersburg, and Fox. This includes Interstate 35 between the Texas state line and mile marker 45. Move inside a sturdy building until the storm has passed.